We're at Sunset Bay here, headed out for some rolling practice. It's pretty calm as far as winds go. I'm out here by myself right this minute, and John's supposed to be coming with his boat here pretty soon. So, real quiet. Don't see John yet. We'll see him. Here we are. Comes John.
I think you just waiting to take our picture.
We can get it.
Can you do it?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is John and I. We're headed out into Sunset Bay here pretty quick. He has his Avocet, my Wilderness Tempest, and we're just gonna have fun and see what we can do out there.
See if we can get wet. You had it tied on the boat, don't you?
Yeah.
Now.
There's John. We're out in a little bit of swell. Kind of choppy actually, not so much swells.
I call that center rock right there.
Yeah. He's trying to teach me, but I'm kind of thick-headed or something. Anyway, here we are. The beach is way back there. I don't know if we can see it or not. But slow rolling swells. John's getting out there with it. Now we're taking pictures. There's John, and I'm his favorite student today. Just today, though.
He's not my best looking student, though.
Oh yeah, no. No, he's probably had a lot prettier students than me. But anyway, it's you know, not too bad out here actually. No. Some swell, and I'm putting him to the test on I'm a difficult student. So anyway, here we are.